Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to change the background on Google Classroom. So first thing is just simply go to classroom.google.com and just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply go to your home and go to one of your classes over here. Now you should be able to see something like this one. And after that, you should be able to see here, customize at the top over here. And now guys, from here, as you can see, you will have your appearance over here, and you can select the theme color. This will be depending on you. So I'm gonna go for gray and click on save. And as you can see, it will be gray out over here. And if you want to change the theme photo, just simply select customize over here. Just simply select stream header image over here and select this one. And after that, you will have multiple options over here that you could choose from, and you will have here multiple categories over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for sports, and I'm gonna go for this picture over here, cycling, and just simply click on select class theme, and as you can see, it will be dated. And now you could also upload a photo, so this will be depending on you. So guys, let's say I'm gonna upload my mobile background, and from here, as you can see, we should be able to crop it out. So this will be depending on us, and just simply select class theme over here at the bottom, and we should be able to update over here and click on save. And from here, you should be able to change the background of your Google Classroom. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.